What's up guys, Dave here, back again with another episode of Tech Unraveled, and today I have the RedMagic True Wireless Gaming Earbuds. So you know what we gotta do. We gotta get this box popped. We gotta explore all of its contents. Then we're gonna do an audio test, a mic test, and of course, these are gaming headphones. So we're gonna do a gaming latency test. Sit back, strap in, get your popcorn, and let's do this. Let's go now. All right guys, let's go ahead and get this box popped here. Boom, that looks cool. Look at this case. Now this is thinking outside the box. This is cool looking. Now, it's quite large. This is not going in your pocket. This is something that's gonna go in your bag with all your gaming stuff. Look at that, guys. That's dope. That is dope. Let's see what else is in here. Got some extra ear tips, USB A to C. Here are the headphones. These are very, very cool looking too. Oh man, check that out. Lighting up like that. That's pretty dope as well. That's it. That's what's in the box besides your manual. Don't really need any of that right now. Let's get them paired up. What do you say? Boom, RedMagic paired. Ooh, they have a nice passive noise cancellation seal. I like it. They're super light. How do they look, guys? What do you think? They feel good. That's the main thing. They're very light. They feel comfortable. I feel like I can wear these for hours. Being that they are a gaming earbud, I should be able to. Let's, let's crank the tunes. Go ahead right now, really quick, pause the video, put your headphones on. Here we go. They're in there good. No wireless charging. Alright guys, so there you go. Let me know down in the comments what you actually thought of the sound. Click on the link in the description, take you to my Alley page, and you'll see what the pricing is on these. They sound really good. The bass hits super hard, and you know me, if you watch this channel for a minute, I'm kind of a bass head. I like bass. I like a lot of bass. When the bass hits, it distorts slightly, guys. These aren't saying that they are made for audio listening. These are made for gaming. They're not gonna have ultra clear, crispy sound, but the highs are decent. The mids are good. The bass hits, I like it. I like it a lot, but when that bass hits hard, there is a slight distortion in your highs. Very minute. If you're not paying attention, you probably wouldn't really notice it, especially if you're gaming. That was the audio test. Now it's time for the mic test. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the RedMagic TWS gaming earbuds. Let's go ahead and introduce some ambient noise into the background. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the RedMagic TWS gaming headphones. How does it sound, guys? Let me know. I would hope that the mic is actually pretty clear for when you're gaming and you're chatting with your friends. You definitely want a clear mic. Speaking of gaming, it's time to get into gaming mode and do our latency test. And there you have it. All right guys, so that's what I have for you today. If you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell That way, you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace!